Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy are at it again. They already hold billions and billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. They're the first publicly traded company to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. But now they are pioneering a brand new strategy to acquire more Bitcoin. This morning, Michael Saylor announced that MicroStrategy, a subsidiary of MicroStrategy, has closed a $205 million Bitcoin collateralized loan with Silvergate Bank to purchase Bitcoin. Ultimately, what they're doing is they're actually borrowing money using their Bitcoin on their balance sheet as part of the collateral to secure that loan. That $205 million will be used to not only pay the interest and fees on the loan, but also to go ahead and acquire more Bitcoin. This is what happens when somebody who understands capital markets and has a Bitcoin thesis begins to get to work. Now, if we go ahead and we take a look at MicroStrategy itself and what they hold on their balance sheet, what we see is that MicroStrategy currently holds about 125,000 Bitcoin that they acquired for $3.78 billion. Their average price point is about $30,000. At $48,000 a Bitcoin, they hold approximately $6 billion of Bitcoin. That is big time stuff. Now, we've got a quote here from Alan Lane, the Silvergate CEO, in which he stated that they're thrilled to add MicroStrategy to their growing list of the Silvergate leveraged borrowers. Their innovative approach to treasury management is an exceptional example of how institutions can utilize their Bitcoin to support and grow their business. And then Michael Saylor had a quote where he stated that the leveraged loan gives them an opportunity to further their position as the leading public company investor in Bitcoin. Using the capital from the loan, we've effectively turned our Bitcoin into productive collateral, which allows us to further execute against our business strategy. Now, ultimately, we are going to see this play out more and more. Bitcoin is pristine collateral, and whether you have it on your balance sheet or in your personal portfolio, more people are going to realize that they're able to actually borrow against that asset. You can't get over leveraged. You can't get crazy with it. But to watch MicroStrategy take a $205 million loan against $6 billion in Bitcoin, I think what they're going to do is they're going to end up orange pilling an entire new class of financial investors, Wall Street hedge funds, and publicly traded companies. Ultimately, Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy are executing one of the highest conviction trades in Wall Street history. They're going all in on Bitcoin. And something tells me it's going to continue to work just fine for them.
Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.